guys will never know what just happened today. Stupid guy at the drugstore said I was fat. Do you believe I'm fat? Post a comment if you think I am fat. Just post a comment. And he said he's coming over to my house at 5 o'clock in the morning. Oh my gosh, and it's like 6 o'clock in the morning. I mean, seriously. Sorry I'm late, man. Sorry. Touch me. Just touch me with your pathetic beak. Yeah. Oh! You stink. You are just a bird. Not just any bird. I'm an angry bird. Oh, I'm an angry bird. The best one in history. No! That thing actually worked on that guy. Shut up. Screw you. Hope I never go through that chaos again. Oh, that kind of dumb. I'm Mario. I'm Mario. I'm Mario. I'm Mario. Bye Mario. Bye Mario. Bye Mario. Bye Mario. That was weird, but comment, please subscribe, whatever people say at the end of the shows. Goodbye. Watch Hellgate 234 and all that other doofus stuff.